Good morning, students. Today, this is the seventh class of consignment accounting, and I have already promised that I will be doing the few year-wise sums with you all, and I will be solving the year-wise sums. If you see that today, I'll be doing 2017's paper question which I have already provided with you. আমি আগে থেকেই তোমাদের দিয়ে দিয়েছি 2017 সালের কোয়েশ্চেন পেপারের সামটা। আজকে আমরা ওইটাকে সলভ করব কনসাইনমেন্ট, আর তিনটে ক্লাস নেব, মানে এই ক্লাসটা সমেত another 3 more classes will be required with including this class, so we can wrap up the syllabus of consignment. So up to now I have completed insurance claim, and now I will be completing the consignment accounting. Okay, I hope you can follow, and today we will follow that thing. Okay, so if we go through the sum number 2017 honors paper, this is the sum states that MS Poddar and Company of Kolkata deals with body oil which is sold in 1 liter plastic bottle. কোম্পানিটার নাম MS Poddar and Company, কলকাতার কোম্পানি, বডি অয়েল নিয়ে ডিল করে, এবং বডি অয়েলের বটলগুলো 1 লিটার বটল, 1 লিটার বটল body oil is MS Poddar and Company selling. His MS Poddar and Company consigning 2500 bottles of body oil costing rupees 240 per bottle to Sharma and Company of Jalandhar, Punjab. You know, পাঞ্জাবে জালান্ধারে অল কনসাইন দিয়েছে শর্মা কে 2500 bottles at rupees 400 per bottle, means সেল করার প্রাইস দিয়েছে 400 rupees per bottle and paid rupees 50,000 as freight. 50,000 ফ্রেটের জন্য চার্জ করেছে, সেটা বলে দিয়েছে। ওকে, আর কি বলেছে? 200 bottles while lost in transit. Again 200 bottles while transferring lost in transit. যাওয়ার পথে 200টা বোতল নষ্ট হয়ে গেছে, সেটা বলে দিয়েছে। And a sum of rupees 49,000 was received by MS Poddar and Company as compensation from the insurance company. প্রোডাক্টটা ইন্স্যুরেন্স কোম্পানি ইনশিওর ছিল, তাই জন্য কম্পেনসেশন হিসাবে 49,000 রুপিস রিসিভ করছে, as the goods has been lost in transit while transferring from Kolkata to Jalandhar, and the goods has already been insured. So on that basis Poddar and Company receives 49,000 as compensation from the insurance claim. Sharma and Company took delivery of the remaining goods and paid carriage inward and unloading charges. The total amount 32,200. Carriage inward আর unloading charges পাচ্ছে পুরো। এছাড়া বাদবাকি প্রোডাক্টটা ডেলিভার হয়েছে, মানে আপ টু 200 বটলস লস হয়েছে। 2500 এর মধ্যে 200 বটলস লস হয়েছে, মিন্স সেল হচ্ছে ধরে নিচ্ছি আপাতত 2300 bottles, right? So he is entitled to a commission of 10% on sales made by him. So he is received a commission of 10% on sales received by him. Sharma and Company also incurred other expenses covered under agreement amounting to 18,000. Again, another expenses Sharma and Company also incurred and covered, which is 18,000. Sharma and Company reported that 100 bottles were lost due to leakage in the godown. গোডাউনের লিকেজ হওয়ার ফলে 100টা বোতল লস হয়েছে, এবং সেই লসটাকে ধরা হয় নর্মাল লস, অ্যান্ড লস ক্যালকুলেট বলে দিয়েছে লস ডিউ টু লিকেজ আপ টু 5% of goods received by the consignee is considered to be normal loss. Means up to 5%. 5% অবধি আমার যাই হোক না কেন, 100 বটলস হয়েছে, যদি 100 বটলস 5% এর বেশি হয় সেটাকে আমি কনসিডার করব না, আমি আপ টু 5% অবধি কনসিডার করব যে নর্মাল লস হচ্ছে। মিন্স আই উইল বি কনসিডারিং আপ টু 5% অ্যাজ দ্য নর্মাল লস, নট এনি আদার ফার্দার অ্যাজ কনসিডার্ড অ্যাজ নর্মাল লস। So bottle sold is 1,700. Sharma and Company paid check rupees 5,50,000 in favor of Poddar and Company. You are required to prepare consignment account in the books of MS Poddar and Company. Working should form part of the answer. I have already mentioned working plays a very important role. Without working, if you done the sum or if you have done it without working, no marks will be allotted or awarded to you. ওয়ার্কিং ছাড়া কোনো মার্কস দেওয়া হবে না, কিন্তু এটা মাথায় রাখবে। তাই ওয়ার্কিং প্লেজ এ ভেরি ক্রুশাল রোল। সো নাও I will be doing the sum. So in the books of MS Poddar and Company, in the books of MS Poddar and Company, consignment to Jalandhar account, right? Consignment to Jalandhar account. Debit, the formation remains the same, format টা একই আছে, কোনো চেঞ্জ নেই। Particulars, amount rupees, particulars, amount rupees and amount rupees. Okay, so first কত কনসাইন করছে? First is consigning 2,500 bottles at rupees 240 per bottle. So 2 goods sent on consignment account. How much? 2,500 into rupees 240. So calculate it. 2,500 into rupees 240. It is coming 6 lakh. So 6 lakh, right? Right? Okay. Expenses is freight and insurance. তাহলে কি হবে? To bank account. Bank account. Expenses beared by the consignee, which is consignor's expenses, freight and insurance. How much freight and insurance bear করছে? 50,000, right? 50,000. And what are the expenses beared by the consignee? Consignee means Sharma and Company. Carriage inward and unloading charges. So it will be to Sharma and Company account, carriage inward and unloading charge. Carriage inward and unloading charge, right? How much? It is 32,200. I am putting in the inner column because there is also another thing which is other expenses covered under the agreement is 18,000. So other expenses is 18,000. So total it is coming 50,200, right? Right? Okay. Now I have to calculate the commission. How can I calculate the commission? Because selling is 1,700 bottles. So by Sharma and Company account, sales, how much? 1,700 bottles into rupees 400 per bottle. So it will be 1,700 into 400. The total is 6,80,000. So on that basis of sale, এই সেলটার উপরে আমরা কমিশনটা নিতে পারি। 1700 বোতল বিক্রি হচ্ছে 400 টাকা করে, তাহলে এর উপরে কিন্তু আমরা কমিশন নিতে পারি, কারণ কি কমিশন বলে দিয়েছে 10% অন সেলস। কমিশন হ্যাজ অলরেডি বিন মেনশন 10% অন সেলস বাই শর্মা অ্যান্ড কোম্পানি, রাইট? শর্মা অ্যান্ড কোম্পানি কমিশন দিচ্ছে, তাহলে কি হবে? টু শর্মা অ্যান্ড কোম্পানি অ্যাকাউন্ট which is commission. How much? 10% of rupees 6,80,000, right? So it is 68,000. Okay, now for goods lost in transit and also unsold stock, I have to prepare the yes working note. So as there is no space, I am doing the working note below. Okay, valuation of goods lost in transit. Valuation of goods lost in transit and unsold stock. This is working note 1. আমি working note 1 দিয়ে নিচে করছি, আমার জায়গা নেই, তোমরা পরের পেজে করতে পারো, কোনো অসুবিধা নেই। So number of bottles and amount, and obviously this is particulars, no problem with that. So cost of goods sent, cost of goods sent কত হচ্ছে? cost of goods sent, if you see, to 2,500 of rupees 240 each, so it's 6 lakh. তাহলে bottle হচ্ছে 2,500 bottle and amount is 6 lakh. We have to add consignors expenses. Consignors expense কি আছে? freight and insurance charge. So add consignors expense, which is freight and insurance charge. How much? 50,000. So total becomes 6,50,000 and bottle remains the same, 2,500. Now goods lost in transit. We can do goods lost in transit by means of unitary method. আমরা ঐকিক নিয়মে goods lost in transit করতে পারি। সেটা কিভাবে করি? 2,500 bottles, the cost is 6,50,000 and for one bottle it is 6,50,000 by 2,500, and for how many bottle? And for 200 bottle it will be 6,50,000 by 2 lakh by 2,500 into 200. আমরা ঐকিক নিয়মে করব। কিভাবে করব? আমার টোটাল আছে 6,50,000, 200 bottle lost in transit, so into 200 divided by 2,500, right? So it is coming 6,50,000 divided by 2,500 into 200, so 52,000 is your goods lost in transit. So it is 2,300 and it is 5,98,000, right? So আমরা এখানে লিখে দিতে পারি in the consignment account. So buy goods lost in transit account, within bracket working note 1, which is 52,000. Okay. So now we have to add consignees non-recurring expenses. Non-recurring expenses আমরা অ্যাড করি consignee মানে জালান্ধারে MS শর্মা, তাহলে consignees non-recurring expense আমরা অ্যাড করব। non-recurring expense এর মধ্যে আমার কি আসবে? আমার শুধু আসবে carriage inward, কারণ কি other expenses may be repetitive in nature, maybe recurring in nature. We don't know about the nature of other expenses. So we are considering those expenses which are non-recurring. Over here, non-recurring is only carriage inward. So carriage inward and unloading charge. Right? So what is that? It is 32,200. If you add that, 6,30,000 and it is 2,300. Now we will, oh okay, there is a normal loss, right? So we cannot close that. There is a normal loss. So normal loss being 5%. So 5%, if you calculate 2,300's 5%, it is coming 115 bottles. দেখো এইটা আমার পড়ে আছে, এর যদি 5% আমার নরমাল লস হয় তাহলে কত হয়? 2,300 into 5%, it is coming 115 bottles. But আমি কোনটা কনসিডার করব? 5% or যেটা দিয়ে দেবে সেইটা, whichever is lower. 5% or whatever the bottle provided, whichever is lower should be considered as normal loss. Over here 5% of 2,300 is coming 115 bottles, but as in the sum it is provided 100 bottles minimum, so I will take minimum least of the following: 115 or 100, 115 or 100, whichever is lower. So here 100 is lower, so I am considering normal loss 5% of 2,300 bottles or 100 bottles, whichever is lower. Here obviously 100 is lower, so I am deducting 100. So it is coming 2,200. And over here the amount remains 6,30,200. Now for unsold stock, right? So therefore unsold stock is equal to 2,200 minus 1,700, কারণ কি 1,700 আমি বিক্রি করেছি, তাহলে 500 bottles remain unsold. So therefore value of unsold bottles will be unitary method, same, 6,30,200 into 500 bottles divided by 2,200. So the amount is coming 6,30,200 into 500 divided by 2,200. Amount is coming 1,43,227 point something. So it will be rounded off 1,43,227. So it will be by consignment stock in the consignment account, working note 1, it is 1,43,227. Right? Now you can do the balance and consider. Over here I am doing it. I'm just rubbing the initials. Yes, you can do that. 6,80,000 plus 52,000 plus 1,43,227. It is coming 8,75,227. And if you deduct, যদি আমি লেস করি দেখি, minus 6 lakh minus 50,000 minus 50,200 minus 68,000. So it is coming 1,07,027. So it will be to profit and loss account. profit on consignment balancing figure. This is balancing figure. Okay, this thing is important. You have to identify either 5% of that bottles, which is 2300, or 100 bottles as provided in the sum. কোনটা লোয়ার হবে, whichever is lower. either যেটা বলে দিচ্ছে আমার সামনে 2300 বোতলের 5% যদি আমি লস করি দেখছি 115, আর আমার অঙ্কতে দিয়ে দিয়েছে 100 বটলস, তাহলে 100 বটলস অথবা 115 বটলসের মধ্যে যেটা লোয়ার হবে সেটাকে আমি লেস করব, বাদ বাকি ইটস সেম. ওকে, I hope you will go through the sum and you will try to understand that this is 2017 sum. I hope you understand. Thank you for the class, for patient hearing. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you very much.